Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a little bit of a short one because I don't want to lose the momentum, but we've got everything glued in back like it's supposed to be. Speakers are in place, routed the wires so that they stay hidden, tucked, wrapped up, hooked up to the amp. All the amp wires are now ran up to the column with a ton of extra, so that's not an issue. Excuse me. We're going to get the back paneling put in so that the box and everything will be there like it's supposed to be. That's just kind of been a catch and all for the moment, so that'll go in place where it belongs over here. Get everything in place. I've got the new bolts for the seatbelts. We'll do the B-pillars both sides, get the seatbelts in place. We got to wait on door jamb switches. The ones we had yesterday were wrong. I think they show up today or tomorrow. I forget which. But we'll get that done. Had the column ignition and neutral safety switch come in, so I can finish all of that off today, get that done. And there's not really much left wiring-wise. Oh, we did. I don't know if I told anybody yesterday. We found the pigtails. The owner wasn't able to find them, so we kind of spent some time and did some research, and we found a company that has them. They're factory reproductions. They're not the originals. I would prefer originals, but that's just me. And then we can finally button up all of the wiring up front and start getting the AC parts in, get the hood on, then she'll go back up in the air, and we will take care of the last two pieces of wiring, get that done and taken care of. The calipers will be here today or tomorrow, I forget which. And then I can finish the front brakes and get that taken care of, get that bled out. And it does sit a little high for the customer in back. So we had him come in, take a look, and we're gonna lower it a little bit. Customer's request, he's gonna be happy. He said he loves everything else, so we're just gonna make him as happy as we possibly can. Antenna got finished off yesterday. All the wiring came through good. It took us a little bit, but we got it all routed like it needs to be in its holders and tucked and taken care of. So yeah, just a quickie update, and I'm gonna get back to work. All right, deuces.